Toronto's first suspected case of the coronavirus is here. Health officials made the announcement today after they were informed this afternoon that a man who traveled to Toronto from Wuhan, China, displayed symptoms of the virus. Tonight, we're learning more, including whether the man came into contact with others and the risk this may pose.
We're here to announce our first presumptive positive case of novel coronavirus.
Ontario's top doctors, the CEO of Sunnybrook Hospital and the Minister of Health all present while announcing what they say they knew would be inevitable.
The case is in a male who's in his 50s. He had traveled to Wuhan, China, and come back, and within a day became quite ill.
Officials say the man arrived at Pearson Airport on January 22nd after boarding a flight from Wuhan to Guangzhou. The next day, the man was taken to Sunnybrook Hospital, where he is currently in stable condition, showing mild cases of the coronavirus and a negative pressure room.
We're working in very good collaboration and cooperation to ensure that everything is done to not only manage the case but prevent any spread.
Our focus is on making sure that we understand who might have been exposed to this individual and in what sorts of settings the individual has been, so that we can determine who else might have been exposed.
Provincial authorities are working with their federal counterparts to contact people who sat within a few rows of the man on the plane he took to Toronto. So far, officials say they're checking the man's small family for symptoms of the virus.
We feel that we've got this well managed at this point in the game. We know who the contacts are that are closest, making sure that they're aware of what they should be doing should they find themselves in a situation that requires medical attention.
Officials say the man called 911 after falling ill. Ontario Associate Chief Medical Officer of Health says emergency personnel were aware of his travel history and used full precautions.
We're ready. We're prepared.
Yesterday, health officials called a news conference saying they have protocols in place and procedures that were developed thanks to the SARS outbreak in 2003. They say they are ready if more cases of the coronavirus pops up.
Ontario's Minister of Health, Christine Elliott, says the province has developed a new website where you can keep up to date with what's happening locally with the coronavirus. That website is ontario.ca/coronavirus.